Guys, sorry about that. My phone storage cut out again. So as I was saying, the reason why I did this was because of the key. And on all those videos, they say, oh, 73 to 87, you could swap out those lock cylinders, but you can't on this one. So I don't know if your truck did that from 73 to 75. I don't know about 76. So I don't know. If this were to crap out, I guess I would go find another. This piece, this part, this whole steering section right here, I would have to get it off of like a 77 all the way to 78 to 87. Sorry. So that means that I have to go to a junkyard and get one, which I'll probably end up doing in case this were to ever give out. And it's okay if you don't need the. I don't think you need the key. Take this out. I didn't. My key was just in there. But wait, you kind of do need your key. Well, I don't know. That I don't know. I don't think you do, because there would be a place to poke it, so you can poke the little like a key, like a not like a key, like a the heck do they call it? Let's just call it a probe. It'd be like a little probe that you compress, and then you take this out. So that's what I would probably do. Or I'd be lucky to find a set of keys for the ignition. But yeah, that's what I would probably end up doing. So let's hope that this doesn't go out on my truck. Kind of sucks that you can't take this one out. This is from the 74 junk truck that I have. So enough of that. I just thought I'd tell you what went wrong with this that people say on the internet. I don't know. I don't trust people anymore. So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna end this here. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay tuned for more. Check out my other channel, 4D's Garage. And subscribe to that, and subscribe to my channel as well. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.